Welcome, young hopeful, to your job interview. Would you rather have a monkey or a bear? As a colleague, your bear. Would you rather have a monkey or a bear? As a colleague, monkey or bear? Monkey or bear? Monkey or bear? Monkey Banaba, monkey Banamba, banana, babamba, bonanba, bababa. Monkeys, monkeys like Banamba.
Oak, oak, oak. Would you rather have a monkey or a bear as a colleague? Why are you passionate about working in monkey security? Would you rather be a security pigeon?
Security, please